Did you know the average American family throws away $1,500 worth of food every single year? That's money in the trash, and groceries bought twice because you simply didn't know what was in the back of the fridge. It's time to take control. With Wellness Projection Lab's smart inventory system, you'll know exactly what you have, what you need, and most importantly, what's about to expire. It starts with a simple 30-second scan. After a grocery trip, just scan your items to instantly add them to your digital pantry, complete with brand info and automatic expiration windows. No more surprise discoveries in the crisper drawer. You'll get smart alerts 7, 3, and 1 day before items expire, so you can use them before you lose them. The best part? It's a zero-maintenance system. When you log a meal, our AI automatically deducts the ingredients from your inventory. Your stock stays accurate without the spreadsheets. Whether you're cutting waste by 40% or checking in on a loved one's fridge from 500 miles away, this is about peace of mind and a smarter kitchen pipeline. Stop wasting, start saving. Visit Wellness Projection Lab today and turn your kitchen into a zero-waste machine.